Welcome back to Andrea Jean Cleaning and Life Hacks. You got yourself a stinky dishwasher, or maybe you have glasses and they are not spotless. Even though you are using a rinse aid right in here, your dishes are not getting as clean, something smelly and funky. Make sure you're cleaning that out. I made an entire video on that. But what if you were to put a tangerine in your dishwasher to make it sparkle, to make it shine, and make your dishes cleaner and spotless? Let me show you a little trick that I have right here. Can you see what that is? Yes, that is a beautiful, yummy, scrumptious tangerine slash cutie. What's inside there, you may be asking yourself? My friend, inside of there is some good old, let us know in that comments box below. If you look here on the back of your baking soda, you'll see that it says dishwasher between uses. I absolutely love this, but not just the baking soda. Let me show you. Inside of here, you'll notice that I put baking soda. It's just the right amount. Not only is it just baking soda, but it's spiced up, spruced up baking soda with a nice citrus scent. You could also do this with a lemon if you want to. I just have this laying around, and then I'm gonna show you what I like to do. I like to just sprinkle it here at the bottom of the dishwasher. You can do this often as you like. There we go, dump it on in, and then you have this nice little pouch right here. Now you may be saying to yourself, well, what are you gonna do with that tangerine orange that you have in your hand? I do like to give it a little extra squeeze. Ooh, let's see if there's any extra juice in there. Get it down inside there. And then I like to take this orange, and then I just set it right top on here in my dishwasher, letting it do its thing. And that way, when the heat comes up from the dishwasher, it makes the whole dishwasher smell like delicious oranges. Right now, it already smells amazing. You can see here it's sprinkling around on the bottom, and that is just fine. All right, YouTube thinks that you are gonna like this video next. Click it and let's see. Give this video a thumbs up, share it out with a friend, sign up for the free weekly cleaning hack newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.